going to race some dirt bikes right now. My bad. Forgot to clear my throat. But we're going to race our dirt bikes right now on the field.
Are you recording? What's up?
So there's somebody on this property, and technically they might be able to get us in trouble, so we're not going to. So, oh shit. We're going back to their property so we can still jump. They already have a trail back here, so we can just race them. Ow, goddamn. Dang, it's all that grip. Where are you going?
This. I don't know why you put it right there. Bro, put it on the track.
Means we can move it around.
Alright.
Okay, boys, I'm gonna cut to when we actually get these jumps built. Oh shit! You built this like shit, bro. That's gonna break.
Huh?
That's gonna break.
Yeah. Fuck.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah, bro.
Cleared it?
Yeah.
That was easy.
Here, wait.
Oh, hold up. Where's I put my phone at? Cooking. Oh shit. go, bro. Bro, I was filming.
Oh, you were?
Alright, you back? I need my fruit snack. And we about to have one more person coming.
Oh, wait. Are you recording?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, guys. Subscribe
He's gay.
to JPZ Moto. And when I get my GoPro, subscribe to my channel.
That's just not going in the video.
It's not.
No.
You're not going in the video.
I'm gonna bleep all that out. Kid's lucky.
I'm sorry, Joey. I'm sorry.
Oh shit! I almost hit that fucking tree. We're going slow. Alright, we're gonna build this berm real quick and then I'll get right back to y'all boys.
Yep.
It's not really built, but the way we're gonna do it is I'm just gonna come in through this corner a bunch and then hopefully it gets built, you know. Record this. I'm gonna leave my phone next to your bike. Or I'm gonna leave my phone. You take my phone. You take my phone. Don't record on it though. Oh shit! I almost hit the tree.
He almost crashed.
Huh? Bitch, I'm gonna hit the goddamn tree. I almost hit Reed's bike.
Yeah.
I'm on your ass. I almost touched your tire. I literally touched your tires.
Jeez. Oh my gosh, we're all messing this up, but that's fine.
Just tell me when to go.
So when you guys get back here?
Yeah, it's when we reach back to like this area.
Alright. So you going first?
Yeah, I'm going first.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Second lap time. Holy shit.
29.66. 29.60.
Holy shit, Jelly.
So fast.
That was pretty fast.
3, 2, 1, go.
Great line.
Beat by 2 seconds.
Bro.
31.06.
Yeah, you were going slow in some of the corners.
It was. Can I run it again?
I'm gonna run it again, then yeah, after.
Right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Died real quick. 28, holy shit.
28.93.
Nice.
Alright, I'm gonna run it.
Tell me when to go, Elio.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now I gotta ride home in the rain. Oh, kill me.